Good morning, boys and girls. I have a new activity for you to try today, and today is going to be a math activity. So you're going to need to get those numeral cards ready that you made earlier in the week, and if you have not made those, now would be the time to make those because you're going to need them for today's activity. They're really simple to make though. I'm going to show you right now. So these are the ones that we use in school. They have the numeral up top, 1 with 1 dot. Then I have 2 dots, 3, 4, and 5, okay? So at this point, you should be able to do just the numeral without the dots and be able to recognize that number. But if you're still having trouble, no problem, just draw those dots underneath. So here's my homemade numeral cards to give you an idea. Literally just took a piece of paper, some scissors, and a marker. So here's my 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now here's what you're going to do. Once you have those cards made, I need you to lay them out on your table or floor, however you want to do this. I have 1, 2, say them out loud as you lay them out, 3, 4, and 5. Now's the fun part. Now, you have to go around your house and look for that number of items. So if I have to go to the number 1, I have to find 1 of one item, 2 of the same item, 3 of the same item, 4 of the same item, and 5 of the same item. So I already went ahead and did that. So I'm going to show you guys what I found over here. For 1 item, I found 1 red Solo cup. So I'm going to put this number 1 with my 1 pile here, where it says 1. And then if I wanted to extend this, I could take a marker if you have an expo. If not, pencil and paper is fine. And I could take my whiteboard here and I could write the number 1. Maybe I even want to write it a few times. 1, 1, 1, 1. And there's my number 1. All right, let's do the same thing for our next numeral, number 2. The 2 items I found are 2 of my favorite things. Well, one of my favorite things, but there's 2 of them. Peanut butter. So I have 1 container of peanut butter, 2 containers of peanut butter, and they are identical. They look the same. So I'm going to put these in my number 2 pile. 1, 2. Now I'm going to take my board or my pencil and paper or my notebook, wherever you want to write this. And I'm going to practice writing my number 2. 2, 2. You can even say it as I write it. 2, 2, 2. Number 2. All right, next up. Number or numeral 3. I found another one of my favorites, 3 orange Gatorades. So 1. Now I'm putting this in my number 3 pile. 1, 2, 3 orange Gatorades. I'm going to take my board again, and I'm going to practice writing the number 3. So let's see. I could do 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Okay, next up. Number, what comes after 3? I can't remember. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4. Oh my goodness, were you yelling it at me? It is 4. I'm going to do 4 green plates. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Got my 4 plates. Got my board. I'm ready to practice the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm going to make 4 4s. Number 4. And last but not least, we have number, drum roll, 5. So I found, this one was tricky for me. I found 5 coasters, which you can leave your drink on when your drink's leaking. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 coasters. All right, now I'm going to write my number 5. 5. That was not a good 5. 5 is a tricky one. Take your time with this one. Okay? All right. Post your videos to Flipgrid, even if you want to share you looking for these things. That'll be fun too. I know it took me a little bit to find some of these. So even if you're only able to get numbers 1 through 3, whatever you can share with us, that would be so great. All right? Happy hunting. Bye.